Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. It is absolutely lovely here in Oklahoma. That's a good girl. Here you go. Here's your treat. Good girl. We got laundry to put away. I think we're gonna wait till all the cleaning's done though. Okay, let's get you some brekkie. Oh, the mall is still asleep. We got some cleaning up to do in here. I think we're gonna take everything out and do some spring cleaning. There you go. Mall is up. She's up for the sniffy doodles. Look at Mala go. Sometimes she surprises me. And she just trots along. This is so good. So good. Good girl. Oh my gosh. You needed to get out, didn't you? All right, come on. Now what's your problem? Come on. Unstick the brake. Let's go. Come on. We're gonna go and check out the nature center and see what we have to do to register for the paint and sip tomorrow. I am super excited about that. Aren't you? You'll be in charge on the bus. In charge of Josie, okay? We're in. Paint and sip tomorrow. $20. It's gonna be fun. We're sipping tea. Works for me, or hot cocoa. It'll be a lot of fun. You're not going. You're gonna be in charge. Is that good? Nice walk. I'm gonna go set up outside for you so you have a nice place to sit down and relax. You stay here. I'll be back. I'm gonna go paint and sip. See you in a little bit. Oh yeah. I'm off to paint and sip. Leaving the dogs home. I don't do that very often. So it's gonna be kind of fun. Here we are. There's our picture. Let's see how we do. There she is, the Christmas tree. I painted today at Paint and Sip. I think it came out pretty okay. That was a lot of fun. It was a happy surprise to get out and paint at the Nature Center this week. It helped to inspire some new ideas. I've been on a bit of an art journey these past few years, exploring all the different mediums of interest. One might say I'm in my artist phase of life. If you follow my Substack newsletter, Speaking My Piece, you'll know about my digital art and free monthly coloring pages. I'll link it if you want to check it out. It's free. For years, I've used drawing as a therapeutic tool. Black Sharpie pen and lots of lines. But more recently, I've begun to experiment with color. I love learning new things and having the time to practice them. Having a creative outlet is good for the soul, and I highly recommend it. Creating these tags for the holidays was so fun and satisfying. you know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and that includes our stay here at this beautiful Oklahoma State Park. We are getting ready to roll. We are rolling up into the Rocky Mountains for Rocky Mountain Christmas, and it's going to be a heat wave. So I'm pretty excited about it being warm up there. I was really nervous about chains and snowstorms and all those things, but looks like we're going to have a nice, clear stretch of weather. So if you want to follow us along, make sure you subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit a like and comment below. Tell me where you are. What are you doing for Christmas? I'd really like to hear. Until next time, see you down the road. Peace out. Let's go. In February, I lost my precious Mala. It's been an adjustment without her. She was 16, and after that long together, you kind of get to know a soul. They say a dog chooses you. I'll always be grateful that she chose me to be her person.